What are macros?
Macros are short for macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are the nutrients your body needs in larger amounts to thrive. Tracking your macros means monitoring how much of each you eat every day. This helps you understand your nutrition and can support health goals like weight management, muscle gain, or improved energy.
Why track your macros?
Tracking macros can help you achieve a balanced diet and meet your health goals. By paying attention to carbs, protein, and fat, you gain insight into your eating habits. This simple practice can highlight if you're missing key nutrients or eating too much of one type. Awareness leads to better choices and more consistent progress.
Easy tools for beginners.
There are many user-friendly tools to help you track your macros. Free smartphone apps like MyFitnessPal and Cronometer let you log foods with just a few taps. Tracking sheets, food diaries, and even basic kitchen scales can also help. The right tool is the one you find easiest and most enjoyable to use every day.
Tips for hassle-free tracking.
It starts simple. Don't aim for perfection, just build awareness. Try logging just one meal per day at first. Save favorite foods in your app for quick entry. Use pre-portioned snacks to make estimating amounts easier. Over time, you'll learn typical serving sizes and get faster at tracking without stress.
Staying consistent and motivated.
Consistency is key for results. Set small, realistic goals and celebrate your progress. Share your goals with a friend or join an online community for encouragement. If you miss a day, don't get discouraged. Focus on forming a habit over time. Tracking macros gets easier and more rewarding the longer you stick with it.